Hello, this is Explore Hong Kong on the peak now. Today there's a heavy rain in the afternoon and weather is getting better now. And you're looking at the Peak Galleria and then the very signature building of the Peak Tower. So let's go and have a look at today's Hong Kong view. So you can either go up to Sky Terrace 428 inside the Peak Tower, or go to the Lion Pavilion for the perfect view of Hong Kong. So for the Lion Pavilion, it is free. Today's weather is not that good, and I'm not sure whether you can see any buildings. So far, I can only see mist. So it's easy to find the Lion Pavilion. So you just walk out from the Peak Tower and then turn left. And here we are. So we went here on last Sunday. There were much more people than today. So make sure if you're coming to the Peak on Saturday and Sunday, you come here earlier to avoid the crowd. Because so many people will come here today, will come here on these few days. As the Peak Tram, oops, beware of the wet floor. As the Peak Tram is going to retire soon, the 5th generation, and the 6th generation is coming. The view of Hong Kong today on the 24th of June. And I will also show you how the view is like on last Sunday. Is much better. So that is the Hong Kong side, and then Victoria Harbour, and also the Kowloon Peninsula. If you're lucky, you can also see the Peak Tram passing through here. And some people are on the Sky Terrace, so it is not a wise choice to go up today, because what you see should be the same as what I see. And in case you don't know what you're looking at, there's a map here that tells you the different buildings in Hong Kong, and welcome to the city with the most skyscrapers in the earth. So what else can you do in the Peak? You can also go to the Wax Museum, and also they have the Donkey supermarket here now. So Donkey supermarket is a very famous supermarket from Japan, and it is now very popular in Hong Kong now. So if you're looking for what to eat on the Peak, I will recommend you the Peak Lookout restaurants that is right in front of me now. This art and craft design architecture. So it was originally built for engineers working on the Peak Tramway, and it was rebuilt in 1901 as a stop area for sedan chairs. So in the past, if you would like to come to the Peak, you either walk up or by sedan chairs. So sedan chairs will be bamboo chairs, and then one man will be holding you at the front and one man will be holding you at the back. So now it is rebuilt into a restaurant. So it's an open air restaurant with indoor area too. And don't forget to take pictures with the colonial era post box right over here. We found two in Cheung Chau earlier. You can check out our earlier videos that when we go to Cheung Chau for the Bun Festival. And originally it is red in color, painted green. after Hong Kong was returned from the British government to China. And the last thing that I would like to show you is this 4th generation peak tram. So just now I took the 5th generation peak tram up to the peak. And this is the 4th generations. And how old is the peak railway system? Around 130 years old. So by the way, I am now 396 meters above the sea level. So you can imagine how people take someone up to the peak by a sedan chair. So now this 4th generation peak tram was made into the visitor center, and it is already 60 years old, more than 60 years old. That was in service from 1959 to 1989. So 2 things to do when you're in peak tram. Take lots of photos for sure. And then if you're looking for the wax museum, it is inside the peak tower. That's Johnny Depp. Also go to the post office that is inside the peak tower. And also the peak market where you can find different souvenirs. They're on sale right now. Many of them are handmade and hand painted. Some are handmade and hand painted in Hong Kong. I will also recommend you to get a chop here. Most of them cost you around 280 to 380, 30% off. And then they will engrave your name on the chop, and you just choose the stone that you want. So this should be the first thing that you do when you come to the peak, and then enjoy the view of Hong Kong, and then come back to take back the chop with your name on it. We got the silk pajamas, $70 only. That is very popular among tourists when tourists can come to Hong Kong. And here you can also find this Ban Cafe Dragon model. So it's the last chance to buy, and you can't see the Cafe Dragon airplane anymore. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you check out our Instagram for everything about Hong Kong, and also check out the peak tram ride that is posted earlier. So I will see you very soon. Bye bye. Oh, before we say bye bye, this beautiful view, and when the weather is very good, you should be able to see Lemma Island. Okay, bye bye.